Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's drawing session, we're gonna talk about figure drawing. I've already uploaded one video in which I just show you how I draw figures in real time, but this time it's going to be a tutorial and I'm going to show you the technique that I use and how I take my proportions. Now before we get started, a disclaimer: I am not good at drawing figures. I am just learning how to draw figures, so anything that I'm going to talk about might not be 100% accurate, but I just felt like I had to make a video about figures because I've been only drawing portraits for years, and I feel like this is the right time to start making videos. And a lot of you actually requested me to make a video about figure drawing, so that's why I'm making this video, and I really hope it's going to be helpful for you guys. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Now if you can learn to simplify the human body into boxy shapes, it's gonna save you a lot of time, and that also allows you to draw anything, any object in 3D. Now if you want to draw the human body, you can either choose these two ways. Okay, you can either use the rubber bin, okay, or you draw boxes, okay. Human body is a 3D object, and if you can learn to simplify the complex shapes of the human body into these simple 3D shapes, you have already understood the fundamentals. Now as you can see, the top box of course is the torso and the bottom one is the pelvis. Now to draw the proportions here, I'll combine the rubber bin and a box. Okay, I'll start with the rubber bin just to get the gesture of this pose right here. We're gonna draw the torso, which is here, and we're gonna give it a direction. This line here, this line is the center line. Okay, it's here if you choose to. It's the gesture of any particular object. It goes down like this. The pelvis and the torso are almost the same size. So now we have this gesture, right? Now the next step is to add planes, a straight line for the shoulder, and add a parallel line to this one, okay, for the tip of the rib cage, right? And then we will draw this box right here. Now it's gonna be hard if you don't know how to draw boxes in perspective. It's gonna be really hard. Now because this is a female, we're gonna taper the edges of that box. Okay, all right, now the next thing is to draw the pelvis, which is this right here, up here. Okay, so we have the pelvis. It's a little bit tilted. And the center line is just going to be here, just like this. All right, now we're going to add the neck. Now this is where we add some cylindrical shape. Okay, the neck is more like a cylinder, and the head is an oval, like this. The ear, you can either use gesture to find, you know, the placement of the hands, or you can use the other approach, which is drawing cylinders. So this is her back, her breast is here, and it's more like a circle like this, or an ellipse. Okay, there is some empty space. Think about this space as a can, like this. Okay, this is where the intestine are, so this is the space between the torso and the pelvis. I don't know what they call this area, but let's say the V shape. Okay, for this area, the V shape, I don't really know what it's called, So I have to check my anatomy. And this is where the legs are gonna be. The other leg as well. They are cylinders. The collarbone is this shape right here that connects, okay, the shoulders and the hands. And then now we're gonna draw the muscles. Now you can draw the cylindrical shape if you want. That's what I'm gonna do here. I will draw the cylinder. This is where the belly button is gonna be. Now the abs, honestly, I don't know how to draw the abs, but basically this is how you draw the human body. First of all, learn to draw these shapes, okay? Once you learn how to do that, then you can add the neck, the head, the hands, and so on. This is the most important one. If you can rotate this in any direction in perspective, it's gonna be much easier. All right, guys, in the next video I will show you different angles, and I hope it's gonna help. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. You can support this channel by watching, liking, and subscribing. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.